Hi guys, this is Thor from TC Electronic here at the amazing music store Cologne, and I'm here today to show you guys Corona Mini Chorus. When TC was founded years and years ago, the first pedal we did was actually the stereo chorus flanger pedal, and we still produce that pedal to this very day. And Corona Chorus and Corona Mini Chorus, which is the small and big brother, is actually taking the same legendary sound that's been used by countless pro guitar players and basically recreates it in the digital domain to give you a bunch of extra really amazing sounds. So let's go over some of the different features of the pedal. You get the traditional controls, you have speed, you have depth, and you have an effects level which allows you to dial back the effect a little bit if you want something more subtle. The pedal is true bypass and feature analog drive-through, and this means that your dry guitar signal is actually passed through the pedal unaltered, so that you get no coloration of the sound and you also get no latency. So what you play is actually exactly what you hear coming out of the amp, and this is really important, of course. Corona Mini Chorus feature the same core sound as its bigger brother Corona Chorus, but it's put into an almost impossibly small pedal. So what you get is really the essence of chorusing. And this of course means that you can put it on any kind of pedal board, and it is really nice to have the option of having a chorus on pretty much any pedal board. And with Corona Mini, there's really no excuse not to have one on there. But one of the cool things about this pedal is that even though it looks simple, it actually presents a wealth of different tonal opportunities. And we do this through something called tone print. And tone print is a way to change the sound and the feature set of the pedal. And it works like this. Right now on my pedal board here, I have the Corona Mini Chorus connected to my computer up here. And I have something called the tone print editor running on the screen. And the tone print editor actually allows me to change a bunch of hidden parameters inside the pedal to really tweak the pedal exactly the way I want it. And if I want to change it from one sound to another, it's actually quite easy. So right now I have more of a traditional chorus sound going on. You heard that in the intro. Let's say I want to make something even more lush. I can pick something called tri-chorus, which is actually running 3 choruses at the same time, just by using the editor. So that's a very simple way of using the editor, but I actually have access to a ton of hidden parameters. I can even change the way the knobs react and what the range of them are. But if you think that's a little bit too much, we also have something else that's really cool that also is part of the tone print concept. We basically asked a bunch of some of the best guitar players in the world to create sounds using the editor that you can download for free and load into your pedal. So if you want to have the John Petrucci chorus, or if you want to try out something done by Joe Perry or Doug Aldrich or one of the other amazing guitar players we have on our roster, all you have to do is go online and just basically load it into the pedal and you can get their exact sound. So this is Corona Mini Chorus. Make sure to go to musicstore.com to check out the latest prices and come down to the shop and try out the pedal because it's amazing.